In this video I will be replacing the air cabin in my 2017 Nissan Sentra. This can work for you if you have like a 2015 and up model. This is the air filter and it's time to change it. I noticed that my air isn't coming as cold as it used to, so I think the air filter should be the problem. Okay, this is the glove compartment that you have to disassemble if you want to make your life easier. You have to unscrew six screws have to come off, 1, 2, 3 and 3 on top, in order to remove the glove compartment and to get access to the air filter. Okay, so this white thing right here is the actual air filter, and in order to get it you have to remove this lid, and you should be able to take it out. This is the air filter, and notice how dirty it is. If you turn it around, it is even dirtier. And as soon as these start clogging up, less air will go through, and so your air conditioning will feel hotter. This is a new air filter, just notice. Okay, when installing your new air filter, remember to make sure the arrows are pointing towards the front of the car, and also try squeezing one of the sides. Try squeezing it like this, just so that the air filter can access the little box compartment. Notice how you have to kind of like squeeze the air filter in order to fit inside the box compartment. This is also how you remove the lid. I use a flathead screwdriver. And now you have 6 screws to put back on. There's one right here, 2, 3. You open the box, the glove box. You have 4, 5, and 6. Now I am inside the car, and the air does feel a lot colder, and also the odor changed. It doesn't have that old smell. Also note that some people say that you don't have to remove the glove compartment, but I find it a lot easier if you remove the glove compartment. That was it. Thank you for watching this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on my Instagram, and thank you for watching.